Hey guys, what's up? Keith Rainville here, the lead guy. Listen, I do a lot of videos on cold email senders. A lot of them on public. A lot of them are in my some of my trainings and things like that. So I'm going to start posting them on the YouTube channel here. So this is just to give you an idea. A lot of folks think that cold email is dead, and I just want to show you some results that I get very frequently, and it's all about knowing how to send these emails and put the email through a spam checking process to make sure that it doesn't red flag, your email and you get blacklisted. Okay, so just to give you an idea, this is a campaign. I just paused it because I just started this, but I also paused it because I've added a whole bunch of triggers and different emails in it as well. So 49 emails sent, 26% open rates. So that's 13 emails opened. And those are fantastic results for cold email. So this is one of the programs that I use. The link is beneath the video. So check it out and watch all my trainings. Actually, I'm going to segment all these trainings, Snovia and MailRush that I use, and some of the other cold email senders that I use. So guys, check those out on my YouTube channel, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.